Wondering how to use the Rizzen 12,000 milliamp portable jump starter and compressor? In this video, we'll show you how to jumpstart your car and how to inflate your car tires. This is how to jumpstart your vehicle. Step 1. Place the jump starter close to your battery. Step 2. Connect the DO interface. Connect the black claw to the negative pole on the battery. Connect the red claw to the positive pole on the battery. Press and hold the on button till the display turns on. Then use the bottom button to cycle through the options. Cycle through to the battery at the right upper corner. Press the on button only once. Now you can start your engine. That's how easy it is to jumpstart your car. Now, let us show you how to inflate your tires. The first step is to unscrew the valve cap on your tire. Grab the air pipe from the bag and connect it to the compressor on the side. Connect the air pipe to the valve cap and then press down the lever. Press and hold the on button to turn on the accessory. Cycle through at the bottom to the car, and then you can use the plus and the minus button on each side to choose the correct amount of bars required. You simply press the on button to start inflating. To re-screw your valve cap after use. This device can also be used as a power bank, and it has an emergency LED light. It can be used on both diesel and petrol vehicles, motorcycles and bicycles. Get yours online at www.ruggedsa.co.za. Follow us for more.